Progress on the I-4 Ultimate project at the Maitland Boulevard interchange is reaching another milestone. A new on-ramp is opening, the 7th and final ramp to be completed to and from westbound I-4 at the Maitland Boulevard interchange. This is how drivers currently get to westbound I-4, via a ground-level frontage road between Keller Road and Lake Destiny Road. As soon as April 25th, this frontage road will be closed from Keller Road to Lake Destiny Road. The only way eastbound drivers will access westbound I-4 will be from the elevated lanes of eastbound Maitland Boulevard. This ramp is only accessible from the Keller Road intersection. Drivers coming from Lake Destiny Road will still be able to access westbound I-4 from the existing ground-level ramp, which is only accessible from Lake Destiny Road. Drivers can also get to eastbound Maitland Boulevard from this new elevated ramp. Stay informed about the project by logging on to i4ultimate.com. The website has information about the entire 21-mile corridor and what changes are being made. On the website, you can sign up for route-specific email and text alerts and our monthly e-newsletter.